Life class, we have learnt about Nico, who draws cats and only cats. Who draws cats and only cats. And what kind of a boy is Nico? Nico is an artist kind of boy who loves to draw cats and who doesn't want to do anything else. कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं करना चाहता, कुछ और नहीं लिखना चाहता, कुछ और नहीं पढ़ना चाहता, कुछ और नहीं सीखना चाहता, बिकॉज उसे सिर्फ कैट्स ड्रॉ करना पसंद है. He likes to draw only cats. And what happens in the story? His father was fed up of this behavior. उसके पापा इसके इस behavior से बहुत परेशान होकर उसे एक टेम्पल में प्रीस्ट के पास पढ़ाई करने के लिए भेजते हैं, लेकिन वहां पर भी वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ कैट्स ड्रॉ करता है, जिसकी वजह से प्रीस्ट ऑल्सो फेड अप. वो भी फेड अप होके उसे वापस घर की तरफ भेज देते हैं. जब वो घर वापस आ रहा होता है, then what happens? He spent some time in a place. When it gets dark, he wanted to spend some time over there. So he started drawing cats there also. And when it gets dark, he thought to sleep, and he decided that when in the morning, when the day will break, at the daybreak, he will set out for his house. But in the night time, what happened? He was scared. Why he was scared? Because of the scary noises that was coming outside of that place. And in the morning, when he got up and when he went outside of the room, he saw that there was a monster cat lying dead. And for his surprise, he saw a big cat too, who was his savior. जो कैट कौन थी? उसकी रक्षा करने वाली थी. रात को जो स्कैरी नॉइसेस निको को डरा रहे थे, वो कोई और नहीं था बल्कि एक मॉन्स्टर चूहा था. ओके. एंड आफ्टर दैट क्या हुआ? निको अपने गांव की तरफ गया. एंड व्हेन ही वेंट बैक टू हिज विलेज, पीपल प्रेज्ड हिम. लोगों ने उसकी बहुत तारीफ की. एंड व्हेन ही ग्रू अप, ही बिकेम एन आर्टिस्ट who drews only cats. So here this is chapter number 11. Nico draws cats, and in the notebook what you have to do, that I am telling you today. Okay. First of all, what to today's date, class work, chapter name, number, Nico draws cats, and the first thing that you are going to do is you have to learn and write spellings. Learn and write. The first thing that you need to do in the notebook is learn and write. You have to learn and write the spellings of village. V-I-L-L-A-G. Village means gaon. Nico lives in a village in Japan. The country name was Japan. J-A-P-A-N. This is capital J. Japan. Next is naughty. Nico was naughty too. Naughty भी था Nico. Next, priest. P-R-I-E-S-T. Priest. Next, temple. T-E-M-P-L-E. Temple. All these spellings you need to learn and write in the notebook. Spellings are V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village, Japan, naughty, priest, temple, scary. Scary, S-C-A-R-Y. Scary means डरावना. Next, artist. A-R-T-I-S-T. Artist. The next is daybreak. Daybreak means सुबह. सुबह होने का इंतजार किया था निको ने. So this tool of wooden box or wooden box of tools. एक लकड़ी का बड़ा सा बॉक्स दिया था जिसमें बहुत सारे टूल्स थे लिखने और पढ़ने के लिए, लेकिन उन सारे टूल्स को लेकर निको ने क्या किया? कैट ड्राइंग स्टार्ट कर दिया. Wooden, then last is tools. TOOLS, tools. These are the spellings that you need to learn and write in your notebook. Okay? Write down fast. Village, Japan, naughty, priest, temple, scary, artist, daybreak, wooden, tools, and one more is monster. 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 Monster means very big sized animal or human being. Monster. A very big sized animal or human being. Now next. The next we will write question answers. Now let us write question answers. That is A to answer these questions. After word meanings you have to write, after the new words you have to write word meanings also from the book. After that you need to write question answers. The first question is Q.1. Question number 1 is, where was Nico sent to study and why? Where? W-H-E-R-E. Where means kahan. Was Nico. Nico is a name, that's why M will be capital. Nico, where was Nico sent? Sent, भेजा गया. उसे कहाँ भेजा गया? To study. To study. S-T-U-D-Y. Study. Where was Nico sent to study and why? उसे पढ़ने के लिए कहाँ भेजा गया और क्यों भेजा गया? वो तो घर पे भी पढ़ सकता था ना. But at home, as his father was a farmer, he tried much. उन्होंने बहुत कोशिश की कि निको पढ़े, निको उनकी तरफ फादर बने, but निको did not listen to him. ये कभी भी उसने बात नहीं सुनी. तो फिर पापा ने डिसाइड किया कि इसे मैं टेम्पल प्रीस्ट के पास भेज देता हूँ, शायद वो प्रीस्ट उसे कुछ पढ़ा सके. ओके, सो द आंसर इज Nico was N-I-K-O. Nico was sent to a temple. T-E-M-P-L-E, temple. Nico was sent to a temple to study why? Because B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Because means kyunki. Nico was sent to a temple to study because he always drew cats. He always means hamesha. Always drew cats. D-R-E-W. Drew cats. वो हमेशा कैट्स ड्रॉ करता था and did nothing else. और कुछ और नहीं करता था. And did nothing else. इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं करता था. Nothing else. He drew only cats and did nothing else. Write down question number 1 and answer number 1 so that I could write question number 2 and answer number 2. Where was Nico sent to study and why? Nico was sent to a temple to study because he always drew cats and did nothing else. Now we will write question number 2 and answer number 2. What is question number 2? Question number 2 is, what did he do in the temple all day? जब वो टेंपल पढ़ाई करने के लिए पहुंचा तो उसने दिन भर क्या किया? Question is, what DID did he do? INTHE in the temple, TEMPLE, temple all day. What did he do in the temple all day? So the answer is, he drew only cats in the temple all day. उसने सिर्फ और सिर्फ cats की ही ड्राइंग की. He drew only cats, ONLY, only cats in the temple all day. He drew only cats in the temple all day. He drew only cats in the temple all day. Question number 2 is, what did he do in the temple all day? Answer is, he drew only cats in the temple all day. So, Nico was in the temple, and when we drew only cats in the temple, the priest was very angry and he was very upset that he is not going to study anymore with me. Okay, so the priest also sent him back to the house, to his home. Priest ने भी उसे उसके घर वापस भेज दिया क्योंकि priest को भी समझ में आ गया था ये सिर्फ cats ड्रॉ करने वाला है, उसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं करने वाला है. So Nico came back from the temple. Write fast. We are going to write question number 3. Now we will write question number 3 and answer number 3. Now what happened after Nico was sent back to home? जब निको को प्रीस्ट ने घर वापस भेज दिया तब क्या हुआ? जब निको को प्रीस्ट ने घर वापस भेज दिया तो उसने एक जगह नाइट को स्पेंड करने का डिसाइड किया. तभी उसे बहुत डर लगा और जहाँ पर वो रुका हुआ था वहाँ बहुत स्कैरी वॉइसेस, नॉइसेस आ रहे थे, साउंड्स, अलग अलग टाइप के साउंड्स आ रहे थे जिससे कि बहुत उसे डर लग रहा था. तभी जैसे तैसे रात को उसने स्पेंड किया. When in the morning he went outside of his room of the place, he saw a monster rat was there who was lying dead. और उस मॉन्स्टर को किसने मारा था? एक कैट ने मारा था. So your question is, who killed the monster? Who killed the monster? MONSTER, monster. Who killed the monster? Monster was very big. So for killing the monster, there was a big rat C-A-T, cat, kills the monster, M-O-N-S-T-E-R, monster. After this, A3 and A4 is there. A3 is think and answer, that will be oral. A3 is oral. A3 is oral. Now let us discuss the question answers here. Was Nico a good student in school? Why or why not? Nico was never a good student in school. Why? Because all his interest was in drawing cats only. उसका सारा interest जो था वो तो सिर्फ cats को draw करने के लिए था. He was an artist from the very beginning. That's why he was not a very good student in the school. Why do you think the cat saved Nico's life? Story में जो monster rat रहता है उसे cat ने kill किया था और cat rat को किस लिए kill किया था? क्योंकि अगर cat rat को kill नहीं करती तो हो सकता है कि निको की लाइफ को खतरा हो जाता. Nico's life was in danger. That's why the cat saved Nico's life from the monster rat. But the question is why? Cat ने निको की लाइफ को क्यों बचाया? Cat ने निको की लाइफ को बचाया because Nico loved drawing cats, and because of this, cat saved Nico's life. Okay, so class 1, that's all for today. And rest of the questions we have done in the live class. Okay, one more time I want to make it clear that what you need to write in the notebook, you need to write all the new words that I have given you. Second, you have to write the word meanings in the notebook. Third thing, you have to write A2 exercise in the notebook, and the rest is in the book. Okay, so class 1, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.